Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to increase your CommBank StepPay limit. First, open the CommBank app on your phone and log in using your security details. Once logged in, you will arrive on home screen where your accounts and cards are displayed. From here, locate the menu at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Cards section. This area shows all your debit cards, credit products, and StepPay account. Select your StepPay account to open its details page. Here you will see your current spending limit, recent activity, and account settings. Scroll or look for the limit option and tap it. The app will take you to a new screen where you can review your current limit and request an increase. You may also see suggested eligible amounts based on your account history. Follow the on-screen prompts, confirm your details, and continue through the steps until you submit your request. After you submit the request, CommBank may complete a credit assessment. If you are not eligible, you may need to wait before applying again, and it is important to keep your financial details accurate and up to date. If you cannot find the limit option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. You can also try logging out and logging back in. For further help, visit the Help section inside the app or contact CommBank support. Always review your spending needs before requesting a higher limit. Thanks for watching.